In a world saturated with smart devices and voice commands, one question keeps echoing louder than the rest. Why are today's voice assistants still so dumb? Sure, they can tell you the weather, set a timer, maybe even crack a joke. But ask them to summarize your Slack messages, create a new ticket in Linear, or prep you for a client pitch, and you're met with silence. Or worse, a confused, "Sorry, I didn't catch that." That's where ElevenLabs just changed the game. Introducing ElevenAI, a voice-first artificial intelligence assistant that does more than just talk. It acts. Designed from the ground up to work across your digital ecosystem, ElevenAI combines natural-sounding voice interaction with powerful task automation. This isn't your typical chatbot in a new outfit. It's a whole new breed of assistant, one that integrates with your favorite tools, executes real actions, and communicates like a human. Let's break it down. At its core, ElevenAI uses what ElevenLabs calls the Model Context Protocol, or MCP for short. Think of MCP as a secure translator that connects AI models to external tools like Notion, Slack, Gmail, Salesforce, Perplexity, and many more. So when you say, "Plan my day and prioritize my top 3 tasks in Linear," or "Summarize the last 5 Slack messages from my design team," you're not triggering a pre-written script. You're instructing a conversational AI to access, process, and act on real-time data across platforms in real-world workflows. And it does it all with your voice. But voice alone doesn't cut it in today's multilingual, fast-paced world. That's why ElevenAI supports over 70 languages and boasts ultra-low latency responses, enabling seamless, real-time conversations in nearly any corner of the globe. You can interact with it naturally, like speaking to a human colleague. And not just any colleague, a hyper-efficient one that never forgets a detail, never gets tired, and doesn't need coffee breaks. Here's where it gets personal, literally. With over 5,000 AI voices in ElevenLabs' growing library, and the ability to clone your own voice, ElevenAI becomes the first assistant that sounds like you, or like anyone you choose. Whether you're building a brand, crafting a character, or just want something that feels uniquely yours, customization is baked into the experience. Now let's talk about something most AI companies conveniently gloss over: security. ElevenAI is designed with enterprise-grade protections from day one. It's HIPAA-compliant, offers configurable permission layers, and keeps user data tightly controlled. This isn't a toy. It's a tool built for real businesses, real creators, and real-world operations.
And speaking of real-world use, here are just a few things ElevenAI can already do. Create and manage tasks in project management tools like Linear. Conduct real-time research using Perplexity and summarize results. Draft, send, or summarize emails across Gmail and other platforms. Summarize or retrieve Slack messages based on context or urgency. Offer schedule planning and prioritization. Generate spoken summaries of complex documents or articles. And, yes, even make jokes. Though, now they're actually funny. But here's the kicker. ElevenAI is still in alpha. That means it's just getting started, and it's already leagues ahead of the competition. While others are struggling to bolt voice features onto generic LLMs, ElevenLabs has gone all in on native voice-first infrastructure. It doesn't just sound human, it thinks in dialogue. And the best part? You can try it right now. ElevenLabs is offering free access to ElevenAI during its alpha phase, encouraging feedback, iteration, and real-world testing from users like you. If you're a creator, a founder, a developer, or just someone who's tired of yelling at your dumb smart speaker, this is your chance to shape the future of voice interaction. So what does this mean for the future? We're standing on the edge of a world where talking to machines isn't just about convenience. It's about command. It's about having an AI that understands your work, your preferences, your voice, and acts on them in real time. It's not just assistance, it's action. And that's the difference ElevenLabs is betting on. This is ElevenAI. Voice first, actionable, intelligent, human. Ready to meet the last assistant you'll ever need? Visit eleven.ai and try it for yourself.